Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Pico's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today, I have a ROMWE haul for you. Super excited to share this with you. I cannot wait to see everything inside. It's all still in this package. I did open it up, but yeah, I ordered a bunch of clothes and I even ordered a cute little storage container. The total for everything after my coupon and after my points was $54. So when you see everything that I got, you're going to see what an amazing deal that was. Not familiar with ROMWE, they are the sister site for Shein. They have tons of amazing deals on clothing and on everything from office supplies, storage, home supplies, everything. They even have cosmetics and things like that, and they always have deals. They actually have coupons all the time, and they even have an app that you can check in daily to get points. You can write reviews for items to get points. So yeah, let me show you what's in here because I can't wait to see everything. I got a bunch of different shirts and sweatshirts and things like that. I even got a cute little sweater, and like I said, the storage container. Let me show you that first because this was actually the most expensive item in this haul, but it's super cute. Look at this. I got this to store stickers in. So I'm actually going to decorate this. I'm actually going to store my individual stickers in here that I get in different sticker packs. So that's what this is going to be for. This actually was almost $7. This was the most expensive item after my coupon and my points. And it was close to $7. So exciting. All right, so they come like this, very similar to Shein. ROMWE is Shein's sister company. So let's look at the first one. I got all these items on lightning deals. They have tons of different categories, but I like to shop lightning deals because that's where you get the best deals. Of course, you can go through and find any kind of style and color that you like, but I love to shop the lightning deals because they are the best deal. And then once you partner it with a coupon and your points, you got an amazing deal. So this is what I decided to get. Anything is fine. I love it because I love the rainbow and the flower. I think it's so pretty. All of these clothing items were between $5 to $6 each. That's it. And I love it because it's a hoodie. So I have a hood back here. I decided to get size large on everything just because I like things roomy, and I don't know if they are going to shrink or not. But if you read the reviews, it will tell you if it's true to size or things like that. So definitely check the reviews on your items. But I totally could have got medium, but like I said, I decided to get large just because sometimes I wear something under it, like things roomy. Sometimes they'll shrink a little bit. You never know. So this is the second one. It says Hawaii Malibu Hotel. I love the gray. This is like a sweatshirt. So I think it's super cute. Next item. This one is really cute. They had some cute things. Like, I love this one with the little teddy bears. This is another hoodie. Has the kangaroo pouch, like they said, with the pockets. So cute. Look at those colors and those adorable little teddy bears right there. Another item. This is actually, I have 2 more ROMWE hauls after this that I ordered that will be coming in with some clothing and also different crafting items and things like that. So I'll definitely be doing videos for that. I like this one. This one I couldn't wait to see. It's like a t-shirt. This is a t-shirt with a car and it says keep rolling with it. And I love the coloring. I don't know. I really liked the navy. I thought that it looked nice, and I like the stitching too because it looks like an inside out sweatshirt. So I thought that was really cool. This one right here is super cute. I love it. It's like perfect. I might even use it for Easter, I was thinking, because it will be like really cute to put over a dress or a little cami or a shirt. I think that's so pretty with the daisies. And you can see that it has some detailing on the sleeves as well. So that I think is so cute. So I think this is super cute. I just love it, especially that detail and the tie. Next item. Okay, oh, this is cool. This is different, actually. This is a sweater. I couldn't tell. Okay, so this is a sweater, and I love it. I saw this frog, and I said, I love this. I have to get this. I don't know why. Something about the green and the frog and the mushroom. I just thought it was really cute. So this is a sweater. 2 more items. Okay, this one is really pretty. I loved this. I saw this and I was so glad to find it in the large size. So it says, live by the sun, love by the moon. So pretty. This is my favorite one, actually. This one and the little sweater. And the last item, another green. They had a lot of green. I thought that was really cool because you don't see a lot of green. At least I don't get a lot of green. This is perfect for the fall. And it says, you are loved. And I just love the colors. Like I said, this is just perfect for fall with the orange and the green. So that's the last item. So I'm going to go try one on. I'm not going to do the full clothing haul today because I still have my hurt ankle, but I'm definitely going to try on one of these to show you. I think it's so cute. I love it. What's interesting about this is I went a little out of my comfort zone with this haul. With this haul, because normally I don't wear these colors. Well, black, but my colors normally are black, gray, purple. I mix in a couple other colors, but the majority of my clothing items have always been those basic colors. So to get this like lighter color and to get the green and stuff like that, that's new for me. And but yeah, I really love everything. I think everything's super cute. So I got this shirt and 7 other shirts, so a total of 8 shirts, and then this little storage shelf right here for $54. I think that is such a good deal, and I think this is so cute. I love that it has the little drawers. I'm actually going to decorate it with some different stickers and stuff like that. I might show this in a different video. But yeah, I'm definitely going to decorate this and put all my little individual stickers from different items that I got. I order a lot of times on Etsy and things like that, and I get individual stickers, so I figured this would be perfect to sort them in and keep them in. And it's so tiny and cute too. So yeah, so $54 for all of this. I think it was a great deal. The way that I was able to do that was because I used a coupon and I used my points. They have an app, so if you download the app, you check in daily, you write reviews, things like that, you always get points. Then you can trade in the points for money off your clothing and your items. So super cool deal. That's it for today's video. Let me know what your favorite clothing item was. Let me know what you think of the shell. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload, and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.